So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, huwag kalimutang mag-like and subscribe.
Hello! Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa for today's video. Pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-convert ng improper fractions to mixed fractions. At kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ko about Introduction to Fractions, just click the link in the description below. So, paano nga ba mag-convert ng improper fractions to mixed fractions? So, una, i-divide natin yung ating numerator sa denominator. Then, yung answer ay ang magiging whole number ng ating mixed fraction. And then the remainder will be the numerator at kukopyahin lang natin yung denominator. So, napakadali lang, no? Okay, so, for example, we have 7 over 5. Okay, so, i-divide natin yung ating numerator sa ating denominator. Okay, so, we have 7 divided by 5. Okay, so, 7 divided by 5, 1. Okay, so 1 times 5 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, so, paano natin isusulat yung ating mixed fraction? Okay, so, yung ating sagot, ito yung magiging whole number. Okay, and then the remainder, which is 2, will be our numerator. Okay, so 2. At kukopyahin lang natin yung ating denominator na 5. Okay, so, ito yun. So, ating whole number. Okay, and then this will be our numerator and then the denominator. Okay, so, 7/5 is equivalent to 1 and 2/5. So, ito yung ating mixed fractions. Okay, so meron tayong whole number. Okay, and then, susundan ito ng proper fraction. Okay, so we have 2/5. So, kung mapapansin nyo, mas mataas na yung ating denominator kaysa sa ating numerator. Okay, so next example, we have 4 over 3. Okay, so ulit i-divide natin yung ating numerator sa ating denominator. So we have 4 divided by 3. So we have 4 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, 4 minus 3 is 1. So, okay, sulat natin yung sagot as our whole number. And then yung ating numerator is yung ating remainder here, which is 1. At kukopyahin lang natin yung denominator, which is 3. So, ito yung ating whole number, ito yung ating numerator, at ang ating denominator. Okay, so 4/3 is equivalent to 1 and 1/3. So, next example, we have 9 over 4. Okay, so, i-divide natin yung ating numerator sa ating denominator. So, we have 9 divided by 4. So, 9 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. And then 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So, ito yung ating whole number. Ito yung ating numerator. And then, ito yung ating denominator. So, 9 over 4 is equivalent to 2 and 1/4. So, for example, we have 17 over 2. So, i-divide natin yung ating numerator sa ating denominator. So, we have 17 divided by 2. Okay, so 17 divided by 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, so 17 minus 16 is 1. So, ito yung ating whole number. Okay, and then, ito yung ating numerator at ang ating denominator. So, we have 17 is equivalent to 8 and 1/2. So, next example, we have 18 over 4. So, kung makikita ninyo, ang number na ito or ang fraction na ito, pwede pa natin siyang lagay sa kanyang lowest form. Okay, so, hanapin natin yung kanyang greatest common factor. Okay, so we have 18 over 4. So, ililista natin yung kanyang mga factors. Okay, so 18 is 1 times 18. We have 2 times 9 and 3 times 6. Okay, so 4 naman, we have 1 times 4 and 2 times 2. So, ano yung kanyang greatest common factor? That is number 2. Okay, so i-divide natin yung 18 over 4 sa 2. Okay. So we have 9 over 2. Okay, so natin dito 9 over 2. At ito naman yung ating i-convert sa mixed fraction. So we have 9, okay, divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And then 9 minus 8 is 1. So we have 4. Ito yung ating whole number. Ito yung ating numerator at ang ating denominator. So isulat natin dito. So we have 4. Tapos yung ating numerator and ang ating denominator. So 18 over 4 is equivalent to 4 and 1/2. So next example, we have 24 over 14. Okay, so in this case, ilalagay din natin siya sa kanya munang lowest form before natin siya i-convert sa mixed fraction. So, kukunin natin yung kanyang greatest common factor ng 24 and 14. So, we have 24 to 14. Okay, so we have 1 times 24, 2 times 12, and then 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. Okay. Yung sa 14 naman, we have 1 times 14, and 2 times 7. Okay, so kukunin natin yung kanyang greatest common factor. In this case, we have 2. Okay. Tapos, i-divide natin siya sa 24 and sa 14. So we have 24 divided by 2 and 14 divided by 2. So we have 12 over 7. Okay, so 24 over 14 is 12 over 7. Tapos, ito na yung ating i-convert sa mixed fraction. So we have 12 divided by 7. So, 12 divided by 7 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. And 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay, so, ito yung ating whole number. And then, this is our numerator and ang ating denominator. So, we have 1 and then 5 over 7. So, 24 over 14 is 1, 5 over 7. So, ang dali lang, di ba? Okay, so kung may iba kayong mga katanungan, pwede niyong ilagay sa comment below. Right? At kung nagustuhan naman ninyo ang video na to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.